Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English Thoughts. Today we are going to learn noun and pronoun. What is a noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing or idea. For example, person, a teacher. A teacher is a noun because a teacher represents a person. For place, Delhi, London, etc. are also noun. For things, book. A book is a noun because book is a thing. For ideas, beauty. Beauty is an idea because beauty cannot be seen or touched. So beauty is an idea and idea is a noun. That's why beauty is also a noun. Sentence examples. Rahul is reading a book. Here Rahul and book are two nouns. We visited the park yesterday. Here park is a noun. Honesty is the best policy. Here honesty is the noun. Now let's talk about pronoun. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun to avoid repetition. Example, Rahul is a student. Rahul is hardworking. Here we use the same noun Rahul two times. Now look at these two sentences. Rahul is a student. He is hardworking. We use the word he instead of repeating the same noun Rahul. Here he is used to replace the word Rahul, and we avoid the repetition by using the word he. So he is a pronoun. Similarly, she used for girls is a pronoun. It used for thing is a pronoun. They is for many people is a pronoun. Subscribe.